After strolling along the Venetian waterfront at Chania, from east to west, you'll come across a russet-painted building holding down the western end. This is the Nautical Museum. It contains relics of naval warfare going back thousands of years, as well as the exhibits from the notorious Battle of Crete in 1941. Those interested in ships and the sea will see how ships in the Eastern Mediterranean evolved from Minoan times until the early 20th century. Models of ancient triremes and galleys are displayed alongside replicas of armored cruisers of World War I vintage. There's an interesting mock-up of the control room of a World War II Greek Navy destroyer, plus equipment salvaged from Allied and enemy vessels. The museum is open every day until 2 p.m. and is only closed on national holidays. It's all food enough for thought when you go back outside and head to the nearest cafe for a well-earned beer.